my god, guys, I've got so many tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to manage your tablets so that you never forget to take one ever again. So I've been taking tablets since I was a little baby, and in the past 10 years or so I've had to manage my tablets myself. So there are a few things that I do to keep in order what tablets I'm taking, how often I'm taking them, how many I've got left, when I need to order them, and making sure that you're organised even in emergency. So it all starts off from the GP. Make sure your GP has a list of all the tablets you take and that it's on a repeat prescription. Once the GP has sent the prescription down to your chosen pharmacy, then try and see if they've got a system where they can get your tablets given to you monthly, and ask them if they've got a date that they can give you in order to pick them up next time. Keep that date on your calendar, put it down in your phone, memorise it, so that you know to get your tablets next time and never run out. This service is so useful. It's enabled me to just forget about what I need, keeping on track of tablets, counting them, and having to be ready to order my next lot of tablets. During this COVID pandemic, because I've had to move back home with my family, I've had to organise the tablets to be sent to a different pharmacy. And to do this, all you need to do is phone your GP and get them to change the pharmacy. Send the digital prescriptions straight over to them so that you'll have your tablets ready within a few days. Obviously, depending on stock levels. So if you're taking a tablet that may not always be available in the pharmacy, they'll have to order it, so it can take a few days for that to be done. Deliveries may be delayed at the moment because of the pandemic. So once you got back from the pharmacy, empty the contents from your bag into a box and turn the boxes of the tablets up so you can see the label of what they are. So when you look at the box, you can see everything that you've got straight away. No need to kind of mess around in the box, find out you've run out of some and panicking from the lack of tablets. So you can just get any cardboard box and just put them all in there facing up so you know what you've got. Organise them so they're all similar ones next to each other. And I have a lot here, yes, but I take about 12 tablets in the morning and then about 2 in the evening. Sometimes that can change. For example, tablets that you're going to take every now and again, painkillers, anti-sickness tablets, anti-allergy tablets, etc. So yeah, this is a good way to organise them. It's useful to have a wide box so you can see everything in front of you, so you know what tablets you have and when you're going to run out. So I'm sure you all heard of a Dosage box. Now a Dosage box you can get that the pharmacy give you, organise your tablets into like a paper box that you punch a hole into each day and you take them like that. Now you can get plastic ones, and that's what I do because I don't receive Dosage boxes from the pharmacy. These are one of those plastic pill boxes that you can buy. This one in particular is from Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description below. I quite like this one, so it has a space for morning, noon, night and a backup one. This backup one is particularly useful for those tablets you just take every now and again that you may not need to take every day. So like I said before, anti-allergy tablets, pain relief. So this comes in a weekly set and you can take them out individually, pop them in your handbag, your pocket, your car, and then you've got enough for the day and then you won't forget all of them. You can get other little pill boxes that you can keep in your handbag as well, just for the day. Now there's quite a real sweet one here, and it's got 3 compartments inside, so you can just put in what tablets you need for the day. You could just say morning, noon and evening, or just put a few in there that you have now and again, like pain relief, things like that. I'll put a link in the description below to make sure that you can get your hands on one of those little mini pill boxes and the Dosage box as well. So if you're new to having to take tablets, it is hard to forget because it's a new routine for you. How about putting an alarm on your phone So then it will remind you to take your tablets. If you're looking after someone in particular, maybe your mum, dad, your grandpa, then put an alarm on your phone, and that will remind you to remind them when to take their tablets. In emergencies, it's quite useful to put some in the car. For example, if you're going away for a weekend and you've forgotten to bring your tablets, you've got some of them just in case you forget. So tablets that I'm having to take at the moment are especially important to make sure that I take them at the same time every day. Tablets that are required daily at a set time, make sure you keep to those times. So after my transplant, for life, I'm having to take some anti-rejection tablets. Now those require to be taken at the same time every day to make sure that I don't get funny changes in blood results and any risk of rejection. Missing those tablets could be life-threatening. So make sure you know exactly what you're taking your tablets for, how often you need to take them, the dosage you need to take every day, and how long you need to leave between each dose. It's very important to make sure that you've got enough if you need to go to hospital, that you take them with you, because not all wards actually have those tablets that you're taking. They may have to order them, which may take a couple of days for them to arrive. So you just want to reduce that risk of missing tablets. Make a list on your phone, put it in your wallet of all the tablets you're actually taking, how often, the dosage, and make sure you keep it up to date because that can often change. Sometimes when I go to clinics, they always ask me what tablets I'm taking, how often, the dosage, etc. So I always have a list ready for them to be told exactly what I'm taking so that they can put that down in their database and look back if I'm ever in hospital and needing treatment. They can see exactly what I'm taking, how often. I'll make sure I bring those tablets to hospital, have them ready so that they are ready to give me those particular tablets from my stock, and I'll make sure they'll order me some more when I'm running out. Along with that list of medications you take, write what your allergies are, what your health conditions are, so that if ever you were to collapse on the street, it's always useful to have that list ready for the paramedic, for anyone who's helping you while you're unwell. Tablets can be expensive to pay for separately. They are always going up in price and will continue to do so. Get yourself one of those prepaid prescription cards. They can be particularly useful if you take a lot of tablets. So for taking more than 2 or 3, it may work out cheaper if you get the prescription card. I'll put a link down in the description below so that you can get your hands on one, work out first whether it's going to be cost effective for you to get one, because sometimes it may not be. If you're taking tablets for a short term, they're usually on a yearly basis, but you can pay in increments if you can't just pay off the whole £100 odd. We take tablets for a reason. They actually are given to us for a reason, but if you ever have any side effects with a tablet, make sure your GP knows, or whoever prescribed those tablets for you knows. For example, liver clinic, heart clinic, make sure you let them know on the side effects, because they can always try you on something different, or they can always give you something to manage that side effect. Yes, they sound scary when you're having to take them for the first time. We all have to take tablets at one period of time in our life, so it is completely normal to have to take them. Sometimes it can be embarrassing taking out your pot, tipping out all the tablets on the table, so you end up just rattling. You can always disguise that you're taking tablets out. You can just use one of these pill boxes like I showed you earlier. They're just a bit pretty. They kind of look like a lip gloss tub or a Vaseline pot. So you may never know that they are tablets in your bag. Try not to feel embarrassed about taking tablets. I can't even remember last time I missed a dose or even run out of tablets, panicked about tablets because I'm running out, because of being organised with your tablets and making sure that you're ordering on time, and even better, using that monthly service that pharmacies do have. And last but not least, I hope you're all well. Stay safe, everyone, and thanks for watching my video. Please put a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, everyone, and looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye! So here's the box of tubes.